All right, Jeff, here's two more of your 43rd scale vehicles. These are, again, Road Champs cars. 143rd scale, we've already said that. You wanted these finished up here with your other ones. These are also, you wanted these 9-volt. I don't know if they're going somewhere on your train display where you're going to move them or what, but anyway, these are wired for 9-volt batteries. So you can operate them and have them where you can move them at least, so they'll be able to reposition those on the layout. I believe you said you're going to decal these as Cleveland PD Crown Vics, and you asked for red and blue strobes and the light bars. I believe these have strobes all the way around, tail lights, headlights, and all. So let's go ahead and turn these on here real quick. You can see them. Like I said, I won't make the video last forever. Fire these up here real quick. You can see strobes, headlights, light bars, and tail lights. Turned out pretty cool. Again, they'll look really cool. I think you said you're gonna paint the wheels black. I'll offer to do that. You don't want me to do it, so that's fine. I won't touch them. Anyway, there you have it. I appreciate it. I'll get these all 4 shipped out to you probably tomorrow. So thank you very much.